Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick Hill TV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick Hill TV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this. Yes, greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I and all things that's good. You see, and I want to say enough respect to our viewers and subscribers. You see, and viewers, if you just a pass through and you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the thing. So see you them can hear and see what I go on. You see, yeah, like the video them that's them can stay in the stream, you know, I get the stream so that people can see them as well in them feed. See? So I'm gonna show you a video right here, so you know, and then we're going on it because I don't really know what it's like. It's not a hopelessness still, you know, but it's a case where you look on it like say this conspiracy are bigger than how it look and how it sound. You know see it. You know see it. So watch a little video and make a dig a little further into this thing here. I make a reasoning because me I try to search the internet to find a better copy, but I can't find it. But it etch me. So I use the one right here now and you know see it, because John know. I don't really know where some man a plan. And I can only give my opinion. I can only assume what I think the plan is. In regards to them whole heap of gun where the US authority find being shipped to Jamaica in a recent times. Watch the video and make a talk after.
Personal effects to be placed on a flight destined for Montego Bay. A detailed inspection revealed various food items, a cardboard box labeled as a 4-drawer dresser, and a cardboard box labeled as a television stand. Further checks of the items revealed the shipment of weapons, 2 high-powered rifles, 115 pistols, 139 magazines, as well as more than 200 rounds of ammunition were found. 9 handgun bag straps, 5 magazine parts, 3 pistol grips, and 3 buttstocks and weapon parts were also discovered. A senior investigator told TVJ News that Jamaican police had been working closely with their American counterparts to identify and capture the individuals behind the gun shipment. However, the covert operation reportedly went bust. He said the guns and ammunition were destined for criminal gangs in Montego Bay. The investigator said the cops are now trying to determine whether the latest find is linked to last month's gun find at the Kingston terminal, in which 19 weapons and more than 4,000 rounds were intercepted. A spokesman for the U.S. Customs and Border Patrol Florida office told TVJ News that, quote, as there is an ongoing investigation, it is the agency's policy not to release additional information at this time, unquote. Janella Precious, TVJ News.
Yes, Rasta. You know, see it. I mean, I look and say, come like say, like some serious revolutionary there in Jamaica now ready to take over. Cause that amount, that arsenal look like it can arm a small army, man. You know, for, you know, wall off a community against authority. You know, give the authority a good fight. You see it. The whole heap of arms, you have to think, say, you know, say, you know, me I say, yeah, I must, that's the plan, you know. You see, the revolution is ready. The revolution is right. Yeah, but must that. You see, because if you feel the need to buy so much gun for any other reason in a Jamaica, it's like when you done any city where you in a dead off because the straight conflict that you know see. You see, you know, and you must have, I mean, there's no sitting, no really, no corner, no. West part big enough in Jamaica for contain so much gun and them little thing there. No wonder in a recent time, I think since the year start, a 17 juvenile get charged with serious gun crime in Rasta. And you know, a lot of the cases are some little accidental firearm go off and little boy, and you know, the other day a little boy go shoot him little 6-year-old cousin or something like that. And when you check it out, when him get a gun or him get gun, you see, like I said, the amount of gun ready upon the island and the type of people who have the gun, them is like say, anybody can have access to a gun. Any mentality, any mind, any frame of mind. Obviously, see that happened there, 17 people since the year start. That's unprecedented. Per quarter in any country. That would be like, if it was Britain, that would be about 200, 300 people, you know. If it was America, it would be about 500, you know, or, you know, probably 1,000 per quarter. You know, see, what me talk about? Yeah, in any other bigger country, you know what, thousands of people that are dead, or have thousands of children that have been charged. It would have been a phenomenon, something need looking at, something serious examination need to take with that thing. You see, and them thing are the reason, Rasta. You see, the man them get the gun, them is like a fashion thing, like a man a plan for open a gun store, a legal gun store or something like that. You see, because we know illegal gun store down there. We not, there's no argument. So, you see, yeah. Saying, but when you look on that hall, you know, see, is a new day. I wonder how our own Jamaican them think how much, what a development that one hall could have do for any community in a Jamaica right here now, positively. You know what I say? That's some serious money for buy them there, you know. Even on the wholesale market, even off of the street in America. You understand? No man chappy good can build a like a villa with them money there in a Jamaica. You see it? You see it? That's not normal. It's not a normal look. It's not an acceptable look. It's not a look where no anybody can act or go on like so well then. That's not normal, Rasta. That's not something where you can just look past or overlook, man. When you see them thing, the man, you have to think, say, which army did they all get that? And what the intention of this army? It's plain and simple. You know, see it? Now there is one small little good thing about all of this thing here. Is that for once, the American them find it pan for them side, Rasta. I saw no. Well, at the first me I see it. I don't know if it happened before. Because very rarely the American them find them shipment here coming out our little poor island. I hope it's the beginning of a new trend. Because them have the equipment, the manpower, the resource and all of that out for discover them things there before it reach, you know, the tropics like that, Rasta. You see it. You see it. What we are going to fight for? I just hungry man I just where we are competition who hungry the most. You see, if you hungry more than me kill you or something like that, because we can't really see what the fight for. I'm not saying there is the need for fight, but are we seeing the same need? And in any case, I definitely no, we're not seeing the same need, because at the end of the day, if we did a like-minded certain way, if we did align, you'd find say less women and children would are dead, and less little picnic would have access to gun for kill them one another. You know, see it? If we did like-minded, you know, we could have things to the man, them a focus on them thing there. And I ensure a certain little fool now get access to certain little thing. You know, see it? So that's them can go do what they want upon them own and all them things. But again, how is that gonna be avoided? When you find say the man them buy up some whole heap of gun and all, or rent them to man for go rob. And when the man them rob and come back, them pay the rental. You know, see some man where is a known robber now can just go to a man like a Dan, we have some gun and just say, yo, let me I think I'm going to match a food now. And the man knows say, yeah, I'll go just give it, you go. You know, see it. So it's a case now where it's not feasible where a man will give you all a gun, trust you a robbery, trust you a rent. Make you go rob first and then bring, for him rent for the gun come give him. You know, see it? That are the state of affair, man. You know, see it? So we know them gun here, them not have no good meaning behind them. You know, see it? Them not have no good meaning behind them. But the authorities have all reason to be concerned, because them gonna look like say them come to take that particular shipment, man, that look like say man, a man ready for running a Jamaica house or garden house or one of them house, the Rasta. Look like one of yes, Rasta, so that look. You see, that enough gun there so can do that. I mean I say them they are the most and the biggest gun in Jamaica. I know more gun there than them there. You see, but me I said that particular shipment look like a one man have a particular cars where you want to address with them gun there. I wonder if it's a cars were beneficial to the masses of Jamaica, because sometimes them thing there, see, I don't know if Jamaica ready for that, but are you ready for that? You see, but I saw it look Rasta. You see. You see, I not condemn no man because I don't know where man I feel, I know, you see, I might can relate to a degree, but today's suffering will be different, you see, probably all the breeze you are blowing on the ear make the belly pain there. You see, you them go hungry longer than how I used to hungry. So we don't know if that would trigger a revolution. Because I saw the harms all they look, you see. I don't know how the youth them feel, because them youth they look like if that the hall there, the shipment they look like say like a mobby then. If them man they walk go down a back road with them there, nobody can tell them to stop. Really and truly. And no, away I thought, me not think so. Well, unless I assume the thing wrong. You see, me not know where. I don't know Rasta. I just ask them question there just from an innocent perspective. I just observe, say, no, this looks serious, Rasta. I never so much gun at one point I go in a Jamaica. It might have happened, but like I say, I never say it, Rasta. You see, so when I say a shipment like that, I not see no other reason for a shipment like that. More than the youth them must have planned for over through the country or something like that, Rasta. You see it? Yeah, like a serious man down there with a plan or something, I don't know. Cause that no look like say I can't sport when I buy them the far. You see, I can't one another when I buy them the for go kill off. Enough of that I go on. Me don't know what I do that for. Me don't know what that is all about, Rasta. You see, this is a strong call for concern, You see, cause you see, we need to know, cause like me I say, it's true we know say sometimes it take less than all that to start certain things, certain disruption. Cause like a butterfly effect, and it start take traction and start attract other support and all of them things there. You see, and before you know it, almost something like what going on with Dodos back in the day. Before you know it, it starts spread right across Kingston and Jamaica. And Adams them go down a garden and the whole thing, and garden never like that, never welcome Adams. Them welcome Adams with gunshot. You see it, and then all over Kingston and the carpet area, and even across the rural stuff. You see, you have an outbreak of sporadic violence and road blockage and things like that where, you see, yeah. So, yes, we start, that's all the thing there. You see, we're concerned, and we're concerned more and more. You see, because them things are normal. Them things are normal, and we want to know where the youth them head there with this. We are grown people, we are big people, Rasta. We have to ask them questions, and nobody not ask them. You see, Or the government don't know no business with them thing. The government, when saying so, government look like say, yeah, he ready for that. I don't know like him have a secret plan of kill off all of them youth when them youth are thought if them youth for organize them gun ya and step. He must have a secret gas or something where he gonna spray out there and kill them off. Cause I don't know how he might get where them all challenge them youth. Them can't challenge them. You see? So me have to set mind, enough gun down there already for them kill off one another. See? And them do that successfully and them still a send for more. See? And when you look on if a man, if you have so much gun that you have to send so much in a one shipment, you can imagine how much you could have sent already. How much you could have left for send and all them things there. So, you know, when you observe the whole thing, you have to just know, say, probably the youth them mind. Probably the youth them see them power. Or feel a power. You know, see it. You never know. You have to just observe, Rasta. You see it. I just saw them thing they go. You know, see it. We don't know what going on. We never see so much gun before and we know what so much gun can do. We see it happen already, Rasta. You see it when we hope Saint not reach, you know, going on 80 type of thing and them thing there, we try ball down for the thing to reach. You know, see it. To them destitution there. You see, but our politicians, them no business, them not pay the youth, them no mind, so them not try avert none of them things. Them sit down and watch it and a fuel it every day too. Make it more and more in them way there now. You know, see. So, we have to just, you know, see, we have to just hope for the best, Rasta. You know, see. Yes, I. So, we give thanks. You know, see. Share, like, and subscribe. You don't know. More blessed. Rastafari.